So today we're gonna do unboxing for our iPad Air 4th generation. So this is a gift from huh?
It's the latest one.
Yeah, this is the latest model from iPad Air 4th generation. So let's see what's inside. So this is the color, guys. So we choose the green one.
Let me open it.
So
That's our favorite color.
yeah, that's our favorite color. Me
Nice.
and Dina.
Stop.
Kuha sa to.
Let's open it.
Kilo mo?
It's very important.
Okay, so let's continue the unboxing of our new iPad Air 4th generation, the
That's
latest
a
model.
cool.
So this is the color, guys. Let's see.
Let's open it. Wow.
Oh wow!
That's
See that?
Ew.
So this is. Kids are so excited to see what's.
What is this?
Oh, nice. So this is the color of a new iPad. Ayun, see, ayun.
I have
Kaya gumana na. See, look, just like the same with the
You see that? You have charger.
size
You
is
have charger.
10 point something.
This one. That's why you need
So
a
this is the
charger.
charger, this is the adapter. So that's it. This comes with the manual and
Mommy,
the charger itself. So
hit the like
Look,
button
look,
and hit
see?
the bell and hit the.
suli ka lang. Sige ka, suli. Suli. Suli ka. Hello? iPad ni mama.
Thank you, Papa.
That's it. What is? That's
Ayun, sa
Daddy
konti.
don't buy it.
So let's turn it
Daddy
on.
utang it.
Yeah. What happened?
So it's working.
Oh my God!
Apple?
Apple?
Apple. It's a laptop.
iPad.
iPad.
Hello. English.
That's
No,
locked.
so we password.
With this, now you need to lock everything. And you will this you see.